Hello friends, welcome to iTechie. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I am also fine friends. Today I am showing you Worry-Free Business Security 10.0 installation part 3 URL filtering configure policy. Friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share your feedback in comment box. Please watch full video for best solution. Let's start to continue. Please open Worry-Free Business Security console. It is opening. Now enter Worry-Free Business Security console password. Click on logon. Now click on device. Click on group client PC and click on configure policy. Today we are telling about web threat protection. Click on web reputation and this policy configuring for in office and out of office. I am telling you little about web reputation in office. In office setting, work default setting if location awareness is disabled. So there we have three options. You can enable or disable as per your choice. There is first option high, and second option is medium, and third option is low. High blog pages that are dangerous, verified to be fraudulent or non-success of threats. Highly suspicious, suspected to be fraudulent or possible source of threats. Suspicious, associated with spam or possibly compromised. While trained micro-actively test web page or safety. Users may encounter untested page when visiting new or less popular website. Blocking access to untested page can improve safety, but can also prevent access to safe pages. Friends, now I am telling about medium blog page that are dangerous, verified to be fraudulent or non-success of threats. Highly suspicious, suspected to be fraudulent or possible source of threats. I am talking about low blog pages that are dangerous, verified to be fraudulent or non-source of threats. You can as per your requirement. In my case, I am choosing low category. And then click on save. Friends, now I am click on out of office web reputation. There are also three category as I have told you already about in office. In my case, I am selecting medium category. After then click on save. Now I am selecting URL filtering. URL filtering success screen web pages using content category on train micro servers to select specific types of website to block during different of the day. Select custom and configure the table below. Friends, if you want block the website in your network, so you have to enable, or if you don't want, so you can disable. So in my case, I am selecting enable URL filtering. There are four category, high, medium, low. So if you want select high category, so there block known or potential security threats, inappropriate or possibly offensive content that can affect productivity or bandwidth, and unrated pages. If you will select medium, so block non-security threats and inappropriate content. If you will select low default, block non-security threats only. So there fourth option custom. Custom is important parts of URL filtering. There we can block the website as per category. In my case, I am selecting custom and showing you URL filtering by category. If you want to block adult category, so you can click on all option. Check sign front of adult. So there all website will be blocked in adult category, and there you can manually blocked if you want. Suppose you want a nudity block, pornography blocks, sex education, so you can, as per your choice, as per your network requirement, as per your business requirement. So friends, we can block as a category wise. Similar all category we can select manually option. Similar we can block business category. If you want to block business category, so you can. If you want manually block for example business, economy, financial services, so you can. Friends, there is a business hours option. There we can set a specific path for block website, for example all day 24 hours, or we can block the Monday to Friday 24 hours. We can select Monday to Friday 9 to 18 hours, or we can select use business hours, so specific time we can block. You can block as per your network requirement. So friends, in my case I am selecting all day 24 hours. On save. Friends, now I am selecting approved block URLs. I am telling you about little approved blocks URLs. Please click on enable button. Customize approved block URL for this group. Note, once enable URLs in globally approved block setting will have no effect on this group. If you have blocked the category, so will not affect your whitelist URL. So if you want approve URL, so you can there URLs to approve, there enter and click on add. Your link will be approved after add. You can see already whitelisted URL approved, http://www.trendmicro.com. it is already in whitelist. Friends, blue area for blocked list for URL filtering. There we can enter blocked URL. For example, I am entering https://facebook.com and then click on add. You can watch block list there available facebook.com, so it will be blocked. After that click on save. Friends, watch Trend Micro installation worry free business security configure policy part 4 firewall setting.